Good day everyone, welcome back to English Hero, and in this video we're going to discuss limiting adjectives, which is one of the classifications of adjective. Now, limiting adjectives have three types. We have the articles, numerical adjectives, pronominal adjectives. So first up, let's discuss articles. What are articles? Now, articles are actually, sometimes they function as determiners. And these are the, a, and an. Okay? For articles, we do have two types. We have definite articles and indefinite articles. For definite articles, we have the, meaning you are referring to a specific noun. However, for indefinite articles, we have a and an. Indefinite, this is opposite to definite, meaning you are not referring to a specific noun. Okay, let's have an example for definite article. For example, Shane is a scholar, or one of the scholars of Daredemo Hero Incorporated. She is the grade 9 student of Talamban National High School. So I use the because I am referring to a specific person who is Shane. So that's why that's an example of a definite article. However, for indefinite article, you are not referring to specific noun, so you can just say a girl is a scholar of Daredemo Hero Incorporated. So you're not referring to a specific noun or a person, that's why you use a or an. Now, just a review for an, you are going to use an as determiner or an article if the first letter of the word has a vowel sound. So if we're talking about vowels, we have A, E, I, O, U. So 5 letters of the alphabet, we have A, E, I, O, U. Okay, don't forget about that. So you use an apple, an egg, okay? So an international, something like that. So you use an again for vowel sounds of the first letter of the word. Now for the second type of limiting adjectives, we have the numerical adjectives. This pertains to cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. It denotes a number. So for cardinal numbers, this is if you are referring to how many that is meant or how many are meant. For example, she gave me 3 apples. So she gave me 3 apples. 3 apples. Okay? So it could be in figure or in words. 3 here is an example of the cardinal number because you are referring to as to how many are meant. How many apples did she give to me? Something like that, okay? However, for ordinal numbers, this pertains to order or position in a series. For example, if you're referring to an, you are giving information as to what are the procedures in making lanterns or in cooking something, cooking food. So ordinal numbers are used if you are referring to order or procedure. Okay, you say first, second, third, fourth. So these are examples, or those are examples of an ordinal number. Okay. So for example, Shane is the 4th honor student of their section. Something like that. So 4th honor student, you are referring to an order as to in what, how can I say, in what rank, okay, if you're referring to a rank or position, that person belongs. Okay. Next, we have the pronominal adjectives. For pronominal adjectives, these are pronouns in nature, however, in syntax as to figuring out their function in a sentence, these pronouns function as an adjective. Okay? For example, we have, under pronominal adjectives, we have possessive adjectives. So we all know possessive adjectives. If we say possessive pronouns, these are The examples are like mine, yours, ours, theirs, okay? But for pronominal adjectives, specifically the possessive adjectives, you're going to use the possessive pronoun. For example, my. Okay, my, your, his, her, their, our, okay, its, so on and so forth. For example, my shirt. Okay, this is my shirt. Okay, so my there doesn't function as a possessive pronoun, although it's by nature it's a really possessive pronoun. But because of the presence of noun, you're referring to a specific. You're referring to a noun. So that's why my shirt, my here, function as a possessive adjective. Okay, it refers to something, or it. How can I say? It describes as to whose shirt is that. So that's the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. For possessive pronoun, you can just say, that's mine. This is mine. Okay? But when noun comes in, so for example, this is my shirt, my there is a possessive adjective. I hope you get me there, okay? Next, we have the demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, again, referring to possessive pronouns like these, those for plural nouns, and this and that for singular noun. Okay, for example, same goes with the possessive adjectives. There is a noun phrase or a noun being modified by the following, okay, by these pronominal adjectives. For example, this is my shirt. This shirt is mine, okay? For example, this shirt is mine. So this here is a demonstrative pronoun. However, because there's a noun being modified, okay, so this one here functions already as a demonstrative adjective. This, again, this and that for singular, those and these for plural. Okay? Same goes with interrogative adjectives. Now, anyone who can give me an example of an interrogative pronoun? Anyone? Okay, let's have who. Okay, again for interrogative, this is in question form. So who is for pronoun? Okay, you say who is the owner of SM Cebu. Okay, who there function as a interrogative pronoun. However, to make it an interrogative adjectives, so for example, the owner of SM, who is, so who there function as an interrogative adjectives because the noun that is being modified with who there is the owner. Okay? Now next we have the indefinite adjectives. For indefinite adjectives, this pertains to indefinite pronouns that function as indefinite adjectives. For example, we have someone, anyone. So those are examples of indefinite pronouns. But then again, this would function as indefinite adjective if there is a noun or a noun phrase being modified by the indefinite pronoun. Okay? So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something from this video. And in my next video, we're going to continue discussing about discuss rather the comparison of adjectives. I guess this will be the last topic that I'm going to give to you about adjectives. Moving on, after adjectives, we're going to discuss pronouns. Okay? That's all. Thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.